So in this video, we are going to continue solving the problems from exercise 6.1. This is problem number 2. Let's read what the problem is. Let's try to zoom in. Yes. Now the problem reads, in figure 6.14, these are figure 6.14, lines XY and MN intersect at O. So let's highlight the lines for our understanding. Lines XY. So this is my XY. Okay, let's use a different highlighter. Lines XY and MN. These are the two lines which intersect at point O. Now, if angle POY is equal to 90 degree, so this is POY which is 90 degree. So I'm going to just make a note there. This angle is 90 degree. Okay, and AS to B. So this is the measure of angle A, and this is angle B. I mean measure angle B. So the ratio of their values AS to B is 2S to 3. Then we have to find C. C is this angle. Okay. First of all, let's get rid of the highlighter so that it's easy to understand. Okay. Now, if this angle is 90 degree POY, then this angle XOP is also going to be 90 degree. Okay. So that is the first thing that we understand. So let's just write it down here. So we can say, okay, we can say that angle POY plus angle POX, they should be 180 degree. Okay, why? Because this is a straight line XY. So the straight line is a straight angle, so its value is going to be 180 degree. Now POY is given to be 90 degree, so therefore I'm going to say 90 degree plus angle POX is going to be equal to 180 degree, and therefore I have angle POX as equal to, okay, basically it's 180 degree minus 90 degree, that's equal to 90 degree. So I get angle POX as equal to 90 degree. So just for the sake of understanding, let's highlight it. This is my angle POX, okay, which is also equal to 90 degree. But angle POX is now made up of two angles, A and B, right? It's made up of two angles, angle A and angle B. So I can say, therefore, I'm going to continue with a different color. So angle POX, which is actually equal to A plus B, is equal to 90 degree. Okay, can we say that? Yes, because A plus B is equal to 90 degree. Now there is a key information about A plus B which is given in the question, and which is this one I'm highlighting here. AS to B is equal to 2S to 3. What does that mean? But, so let's note it down here. But A by B is equal to 2 by 3. Okay, this is given. Therefore, A is equal to 2B by 3. Okay, what I've done is I've just taken this B on the right hand side of the equation. So A is equal to 2B by 3. This is the value of A. Now we're going to substitute this. Let me call this as equation 1. Let me call this 2. Okay, so now I'm going to do substitution. So substitute 2 into equation 1. Okay, I'm going to substitute, very simple, I'm going to substitute the value of A into the equation 1. So A is equal to 2B by 3. So I'm going to write that 2B by 3 and plus B, which is equal to 90 degree. So now if you look at this equation is equation with only one unknown or only one variable, which is B. Now all we have to do is solve it. So let's go ahead and solve this equation. Yes, therefore I get 2B plus 3B whole upon 3 as equal to 90 degree, and therefore I get 5B upon 3 is equal to 90 degree. Okay, and therefore B will be equal to 90 into 3 the whole divided by 5. Okay, this fraction 5 by 3, when it goes on the right hand side of the equation, it's 3 by 5. Now let's do it. Let's solve this. So 5 ones are 5, 5 8s are 40, so that's 18. 18 into 3 is 8 3 is 24 to 54, and therefore we get B. We get the value of B as 54 degree. B is nothing but a measure of angle. That's why this sign degree is important. So B is 54 degree. Let's call this as equation 3. Now this value B is equal to 54 degree, we have to substitute in equation 1 and we'll get the value of A. Okay, so let's do that. So yes, I'm going to use a different color now, 3, but we have, or it's rather given, that A plus B is equal to 90 degree, and therefore A plus 54 degree, because B is 54 degree, is equal to 90 degree, and therefore we get A as equal to 90 minus 54, which is equal to 36 degree. Okay, therefore the value of A is equal to 36 degree. Okay, very important. Let's use a highlighter to highlight this information that we have got. The value of A, the value of B, and here is the value of A, 36 and 54. Now let's go back to our original question. What was the ask in the original question? The ask in the original question is find the value of C. So we have to find this value of C. Now how do we find it? First of all, let's get rid of this highlighter. Okay. Now I'm going to mention the values of A and B here. B is 54 and A is 36. Yes. So first let's mention that this is 36 degree and this is 54 degree. Okay. Now again, if you note these two angles, so I'm going to highlight this angle, which is angle B, and this angle. Okay, both these angles are vertically opposite angles, which means that both these angles are equal to each other. That is by theorem 6.1, which we proved in a previous videos. So vertically opposite angle, the theorem says vertically opposite angles are equal to each other. So if this is 54 degree, then this also has to be 54 degree. Once again, let's get rid of this highlighting. Yes, so since this is 54 degree, this angle is also 54 degree. Okay, that is because they are vertically opposite. So I'm just going to mention here, but angle, so that angle will be XOM. Okay, let's use highlighter again. XOM is angle XOM is equal to angle, which angle? NOY. Okay, angle NOY. Therefore angle NOY will be equal to 54 degree. Okay, this is an important piece of information. Now once again, let's remove the highlighter so that we understand. Yes, so this angle is 54 degree and summation of these two angles, okay, summation of these two angles is again going to be equal to 180 degree. Why? Because XY is a line. This is a given piece of information, line XY. So since XY is a line, okay, its measure is going to be 180 degree. So let's continue that. However, let me zoom out a bit. Okay, however, angle NOY plus C, okay, I'm going to write C, this C is equal to 180 degree. Okay, what is the reason for this? Because these are straight, it's a straight angle, an angle formed by a straight line. So its summation is always equal to 180 degree. Okay, and therefore in NOY we can put 54 degree. 54 degree plus C is going to be equal to 180 degree, and therefore C is going to be equal to 180 degree minus 54 degree, which is going to be equal to 6, 16, 12, 126 degree. So the value of angle C is going to be equal to 126 degree. This is exactly what the question is asking. Find the value of C. So just let me write it down. So the value of C will be 126 degree, and that is the answer of this question.